Good morning. I'm Prabhu from Shriran Engineering Services Private Limited. We are an engineering service company. We placed in Porur, Chennai, India. Shiran Engineering started in 2017 as a tool design company. In 2019, we ventured into automation business, helping customers in production planning related requirements. Anything related to production planning, we can able to address customer to increase their productivity and to reduce their cycle time. To give customers the complete visibility of what tools is being consumed on the shop floor. As a company, our vision is to be a global engineering service provider and trusting trusted automation and robotics. The reason behind positioning eepos 1 is for the steady and reliability and the capacity expansion, and it is 100% modular. As a system integrator, we choose eepos 1 for their better sales and pre-sales and post-sales support available in India. We look forward to work with eepos for our all upcoming projects.